issue 78 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're continuing with our building of the dashboard. As it says, we're populating the dashboard some more. Looking still at the Penguin, we've got episode 78 from February the 2nd, 1967. Also, we have Marsha, Queen of Diamonds as well, again. There we go. It's the one where Robin saved the day with the Bazooka. Okay. Giant Bat, is that? I don't know who that is. On the brink of death, delirious Bruce Wayne is healed by a shaman in a bat mask. Okay. And we're looking at the Broken City in 04. Still 21 years ago. It's scary, isn't it? Here we go. All about that. And we've got Stephanie Brown, also called Spoiler. Briefly took on the role of Robin. Okay, tragic consequences for the young heroine. We won't worry about that then. So yes, this is what we've got. We've got some panels to pop on, a sticker to put in, and yeah, we've got to put the sticker onto a bit, then put that. Fill the back of the sticker, stick it to the front of the screen, then put the screen on there, and then fit that to the thing, and then put on the other bits as well. So yeah, won't take long. We'll get that done. I'll have the chrome bits. Yeah. So let's clear this out of the way and get that done. Oh, this is what we've got. We've got two of these stickers, although we're only using one. Not entirely certain why we've got two, but I suppose in case you stuff one up. They are rotational, so it doesn't matter which way up you get them. They've got to go on the front of this piece again, because that will have to be a particular way round. Let's get that lined up at the edges there. And that will do that. There we go. That is then going onto there. That way round, I believe. It's got to be that way. Yeah, that hole's just not fully finished. Won't go the other way round. No, definitely won't go that way around. But that hole there is just not fully finished. A little bit of paint over the top of it, I think. I'll just widen that a touch. And then we'll get that in there. There we go. So that's that. That is then going onto here. And we are doing that with 2 screws. Spare screw will go back in the packet and be put in my bat mug of spare screws. So that will go in there. Again, 1 screw would have done it fine, I think, but 2's, why not? I suppose 2 balances it quite nicely, so might as well do it that way. So there we go, that is that. Then these go in place. They are different sizes. That one's very small, that one's medium, and that one's large. So they will go on each side here. Doesn't matter which way up they go. That's another good question. Not sure it does. They go on there like that, and then the bigger one over this side. The bigger one, again, don't think it matters. There we go, like the chrome and the shiny black, and a spare sticker in case we need it for another time. I shall put that also in my bat mug. So there we go. It's getting there. These are obviously like glove compartment type areas by the looks of it, I should think. Cool. That will do us. Join me next time when we're probably doing some more of this, because it seems to be the way it goes at the moment. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye-bye for now.